Alright, we're going to talk about a method in the string class, or that strings have an ability that they have called substring. So, substring is a way to get at just a little piece of one string. So, we'll create a new string called rest of word, and we'll say that rest of word semicolon, rest of word is equal to first name dot substring from 1 to the end. So what is this going to print out, or what is this going to grab? Let's print it out and see. System.out.println rest of word semicolon at the end of the line, print it out, and what does it print? OEL. Okay, so what this is doing, one of the string abilities is that you can ask a string to print out everything from this index on. So what is an index? Well, an index is the reference to a particular character. So at index 1 in Joel is O. So index J is 0. Indexes start at 0 and they continue up until 1 less than the length of a string. So if a string has 4 characters, the final index is 3. So that's substring is used all the time when manipulating strings. What will it print out if we say start from index 2 and go to the end of the word? Print out EL, of course. And what happens if we go to index 3? It'll just print out L at the end there. There is a different type of substring. Rest, or let's do another string. String substring equals, or let's just do semicolon, and then substring equals first name dot substring. Let's go from 1 to 2. And then let's print that out. System.out.println substring semicolon at the end of every line of code and print it out. And that just printed out O. Alright, so what is this kind of substring doing? There are two different ways you can use substring. You can either send it just one index, in which case it starts at this index and prints out everything remaining in the string. Or you can send it two different indices or indexes, and in this case it prints out, it starts here and it goes up to but not including whatever is at this index. So if we set this, so as it's 2, 0, 1, 2, the E is at 2, so it goes up to the E but it doesn't print it. So it just prints, in this case, whatever is at 1. If we made this 3, it would print out OE. And you can see it does that right here. If we made this 2, it will start at the E, go up until the third index, but not print the third index, and it will print just E. Oops, just E right there. So those are the two types of substring, and both of those will be on the AP test for sure. Most of the stuff will be, so you need to learn that and get pretty familiar with it.